modeling. So you can use the new table. Suppose you have a table, suppose you have loaded some data which have three tables. So using the get data option, you can get the data that will store into the table formats. Suppose using a DAX function based on certain condition, you want to split one table into another table or one table into two tables. You can make use of this new table option. This is only possible using the DAX formulas. And you can create a new measure, that means new formulas, any quick measures, new columns and all. You can use it, and you can create the change detection option, and even the parameters. You can supply the parameters to analyze the data into the DAX expressions. So DAX means what? So DAX is like a formula language which is introduced in the Power BI. DAX means data analysis expressions. So that is a different. That is a newly introduced formula language within the Power BI. Please subscribe to my channel Chetana Pixel if you are not done yet. Request your comments on this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.